Hi everyone, my name is Steve Gordon and welcome to my course, String Manipulation in C# Best Practices. I'm a Microsoft MVP, a senior engineer and a passionate member of the .NET community. Strings are a core concept in .NET which all developers must master. This course will teach you everything you need to know about the best practices for working with strings using C#. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include learning how the string and char types are used in .NET to represent text data, demonstrations of techniques to apply when manipulating strings by concatenating, modifying, formatting and searching them, learning how to optimize the performance of string manipulation by using string builders and advanced low allocation techniques such as spans, and understanding how string encoding applies to .NET strings. At the end of this course, you'll have a thorough understanding of what strings are and how to work with them. You'll understand string manipulation best practices and possess the skills and knowledge required to produce high-quality software using C# and .NET. Before undertaking this course, you should be broadly familiar with writing basic C# code. I hope that you'll join me on this journey to learn about these important topics with the String Manipulation in C# Best Practices course here at Pluralsight.